Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add new member on Instagram group chat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram groups are a handy way to message many people at once. However, there are also many reasons that you may need to remove people from the group. Maybe you're no longer in touch or they don't use their Instagram DMs often anymore. Whatever the reason, maybe there are several ways to add or remove somebody from an Instagram group. So in this video, I will show you how to add the new member on your Instagram group chat. You can also check on my previous video how to create the group chat on your Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner. You can open your DM. You can choose on the group that you want to add the new member, this one. You can click on member or you can just open the group info first. And there is an option add. You can just tap on that. You can choose, you can invite, you can add new member from the invitation link, or you can choose your friends on your Instagram. We choose from Instagram. Now you can just tap on done, tap on add. So now you have a new member on your Instagram group chat. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add member on your Instagram group chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.